Hi student, welcome back to class again. This is Emerald, and then of course we are back to what we are doing the other time. Now we want to look at general gas law, how the equation came to be, how we derive the equation. So it's important that most especially for A levels or if you're asked to prove it, as the case may be. I know this is not common. Okay. Now we said general gas law or general gas equation is a combination of three laws. That's the Boyle's law, which is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay, and then the Charles law, which is combination of which is V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. That's the Charles law. And then the pressure law, which is P1 T1 P2 V2. Sorry, P1 over T1 over P2 over T2. This is how this equation, now if you combine the three together, let me put it here, call this one 1, call this one 2, call this one 3, combining 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we can say P1 over V1, P1 V1 rather, is equal to plus V1 over T1 plus P1 over T1 plus P2 V2 over plus V2 over T2 plus P2 over T2. Now this is Boyle's Charles pressure. Can you see? Okay, so this is how. Then if you combine them together, you're going to have 2P1V1 over 2T1. I hope you know. If you combine this one plus this one, we give you this plus 2P2V2 over 2T2. If you add them together like this, then cancelling out these two, therefore you are going to have P1V1 over T1 is equal to P2V2 over T2. Now this is the general gas law. This is the general gas law or general gas equation that is gotten from here. Then let me quickly put out something again. You can get that equation again from the ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT, right? Ideal gas equation is P is equal to nRT. Now in general gas law, we assume the N amount of substance, number of moles, to be equal to 1. So if N is equal to 1, therefore, so you can say PV is equal to RT. Abi? Then R is a constant. That means R is equal to PV over what? T. Then you can say P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. Now this is from ideal gas equation. Now you can get your general gas from the ideal gas equation, or by combining the three laws together, you can get the ideal gas, the general gas law. So these are two ways by which you can get the general gas equation. I want you to look at it again. These are two ways by which you can get the equation, the formula for calculating general gas law or general gas problem. This is how we get them. I hope you learn them. Of course, I know you can start working on some of the questions that we're going to be posting very soon. Thank you and God bless you.